How to turn off sound effects in Monopoly Go app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can turn off sound effects in Monopoly Go app. For that, you want to open the Monopoly Go. If you don't have this application, you can easily download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, if you want to turn off the sound effects in Monopoly Go, you simply want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see different options. Go ahead and tap on the one that says Settings. Once you land on your settings, you will have two icons over here. Now, in order to turn off the sound effects, you want to toggle off both of these options. So go ahead and do that. Once you have toggled off both these options, all the sound effects in Monopoly Go will be successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on again, all you have to do is simply toggle these options on. And in these simple steps, you will be able to turn off and turn on the sound effects in Monopoly Go. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.